I come from the IT industry, the telecommunications industry. I worked there for about 22 years. I went on a vacation to Chicago to run a marathon, and when I came back, my boss told me I was fired, and it was the first time it happened in my career. I knew all the family depended on me. After so many months of setbacks, of failures, of not finding a regular job or not being successful with my e-com, I was developing internal fears. I felt I was completely failing to my wife because I felt the situation was too hard for me. I realized I could still make a change in my life. June 2018, when my wife saw an email from ClickBank, I got excited about it, and we both saw your presentation with Rob. We started running ads. I started to make success. One sale here and there, that gave me confidence. That's when I achieved my breakthrough. It felt like magic, far beyond my initial expectations.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, Gerry.
I appreciate you sharing your
Thank you very much, Gerry.
Get in there.